All right, guys, let's get this shit show started. What's up, Sean Luke? How are you? Welcome in. Nice to see you. I was thinking about you earlier. I think I was at the gym. There was like a whole bunch of people powerlifting, and I was like, oh, I know someone who does that. Okay, let me get the music. Welcome in, guys. I'm gonna need a minute. I just got done working out, and I'm absolutely destroyed. Like, I have to sit on my stool tonight because my legs are jello and I can't fucking stand. So, forgive me if I'm a little flustered. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like on an app, so it's at home. And so I can literally just like do the workout, which is like an hour freaking long, and then just hop on stream right afterwards, which is what we did today because it ran late. And so, yeah, we have... I had to choose between like starting stream flustered or being like 15, 20 minutes late. And I had a feeling I would get yelled at if I was 15 or 20 minutes late. So you just have to give me a minute to recoup, please. True Sensitivity says, pitch for an Alexa reminder computer. Set a reminder for every night at midnight. What's the reminder for? It's midnight. Welcome to Extra Innings, you degen. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I like it. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, I don't know if I can get her. Oh, I got it. Computer, set degenerate timer for midnight every weekday.
Fourth alarm set for every weekday at midnight. When the alarm rings, you can say something like, snooze for 10 minutes.
Okay. We'll see if that works. I don't know. We'll see what happens later on tonight. I like it, though. I like the way you think, Suzanne. That's pretty funny. Sean Luke says, I haven't since 2015. I miss it so much. Is there a reason why you don't do it anymore? I mean, that's fine if you don't do it anymore, but I'm just starting, and so I have to say I'm still absolutely terrified of the gym. Abso-freaking-lutely terrified. The last time I went there, I think it was one of the last times I went there, I just hopped on the treadmill and, like, that's all I did. Like, I know how to work a treadmill, but when I was walking by, like, all the weights and the benches and the machines, I go to a really big